Well, I'm Tamar. I live in Vancouver and was actually born in France but came to Canada when I was 4, and I've been in Vancouver for the last 10 years or so. And what do I do? That's an interesting question. I'm reshuffling my life in a lot of ways, including in healing my self on all levels, and that includes cleaning up my profession. And so right now I'm in the midst of being a student towards becoming a counselor. So as I'm kind of cleaning up my spirit, my emotional world, my mental world, and my physical body, I'm learning lots of skills and lots of tools, and I want to then share that with other people, help them on their journey, and be of service, be useful on this planet. This is my first time attending this particular movement workshop, so there's always that element of the unknown. So I walked in not knowing who was going to be here, what it was going to be like, and through the beauty and naturalness and kindness and grace of our teachers, Irene and Elia, all of a sudden, bit by bit, I felt all our guards come down, all our posturing fade away, and more of an authentic flow of just being here, being now, came through. And I feel it in my body. I feel a distinction from when I first came in, a little bit stiff, a little bit in my head about things. I feel more grounded. I feel the core of me is just in my root chakra, my feet are in the ground, and there's a little bit more peace in my thinking. All right, so here we are on day 3, and you know, if I check in, I feel good, I feel really good, I feel in my body. Really noticing from when I came in this morning, I came in ready. I felt excited. I felt the cohesion of the group really developing. Almost felt like we're a bit of a family in a way, even though it's been a short 3 days. And I haven't talked to everyone. I don't even know everyone by name, and yet through the course of the work we're doing, there's such an availability with everyone showing up that I feel at home, and that's a really good feeling, to come in and feel safe, feel like there's opportunity to explore whatever might be in an uninhibited fashion. So really feeling really blessed to be here, really grateful, and the lessons are really building and stacking onto one another while still maintaining an interconnection. So just really feel like I'm learning a lot, and a lot of gratitude actually is coursing through me. I think one of the biggest takeaways in terms of what I'm learning during these 3 days and what I can apply into my life would be simply to notice where I'm holding in and where I can actually allow the inhale and the exhale, the up, the down, the forward, the back, the you, the me, to really integrate more so that I'm not so in my head and to I guess relax in a way, but also feel the strength of my muscles, to feel the support of the ground, and lower than the ground, the earth, that there's support, that I don't have to keep myself upright by using all my muscle and all my force, even if it's unconsciously, right? So learning how to unwind that tension step by step in a way that I feel the support, but then I can also feel the movement, the flow of nature, of life. And so that I, in a sense, I've heard it described as roots and wings, so that I can move naturally in my life, but also feel that strength under me. And I think by operating more from a place of intrigue, a place of balance and give and take, having more awareness of how my body actually wants to move rather than how I think or I'm stuck in moving. I think there's an opportunity there to have a lot more freedom in my everyday life. It might seem simple, and it really is, but it's amazing how complex we can make it. So it's exciting to think, wow, life could be a lot more liberating, and I'm going to embark on this journey for the rest of my time here on planet Earth.